On the farm, what do we see?
Big, beautiful horses.
Come with me.
Wow, horses.
Hello?
Neigh.
Big strong horses, standing tall, soft long manes, we love them all.
Here's a carrot. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Happy horses.
Love their lunch. Want a carrot?
Crunch, crunch. Clip-clop, clip-clop.
Hooves on the ground.
Clip-clop, clip-clop.
What a happy sound. Run, little horses, run and play.
Clip-clop, clip-clop.
All through the day.
Look, a little foal, small and sweet.
Tiny little hooves,
Tiny little feet.
mama horse stays close by.
Little foal says,
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
look, a cowboy hat.
One for Pax, two.
Woof! Clip-clop, clip-clop.
Here we go.
Riding with the horses.
Nice and slow. Hold on tight. Right away.
Clip-clop, clip-clop.
Hip hooray. Horses walk.
Horses run.
Riding horses is
So much fun.
carrots to eat.
Hooves go clap.
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
And clip, clap, clap. Clip-clop, clip-clop.
Down the track.
Lena and Miro.
Ride horseback. Pax runs too. Right beside.
Happy little friends.
Go for a ride.
Bye, horses.
See you next time.
Clip-clop, clip-clop. Off we go.
Around the farm, nice and slow.